Okay, so welcome back. So first of all, shout out to Alec Chick from Hong Kong. Thank you for designing this applet. So it's used for practicing your factorizing of uh, trinomials, be they simple monomial where they start with a one, where you're just getting two numbers out here really, up to um, basically trivial trinomials where either where there's a relationship between some difference of the outers to the inners. In other words, the 11 and the 7 stay together, and then into non-trivial trinomials. Okay, so we'll get started and have a look at a few of these examples. Let's start off with option number one. Can I skip it? So with the negative, it's slightly more difficult. You're looking for two numbers that add together to give minus 16, multiply together to give minus 16, and that add together to give 15. So 16 and 1 are the factors because you're looking for a difference of 15 from 16 and 1. So 16 and 1 are the pair of factors, and you make the big one positive. Okay, we check that and we're right, and so on. Here you're looking for two numbers that multiply to 12 with a difference of 4, 6, and 2. You make the big one 6 negative. And then the other one has to be positive. Okay, and you find you can factorize on paper probably a bit quicker because you spend so much time scrolling to get to sub in your answers. And my suggestion is you'd use this with paper and pen and then just key in your answer, because you kind of know you're right. The cross the um, the cross method of factorizing is self-verifying really. So you can build up your score maybe up to say something like 10. It is negative scoring. So for example, if I put a rubbish answer in here, um, check it. Notice my score will drop from 2. Okay, I think. Oh, I might have been wrong on that. Maybe there's no negative scoring on this. So up a level. Now we have 12 subtract 7 is 5. If there's a minus here, you're looking for abstraction, subtraction of the outers to give the inner, and you ignore magnitude. So 12 take 7 is 5. What that tells me here is I know my 7x is going up and I know my 12 is coming up, except I don't know whether it's positive or negative. I do know my cross product, my product going this way. There's two of them. The dominant one, the bigger of the two, will be positive. So this is the bigger of the two that makes that number want to be positive, and this number, which is going to be 1 or minus 1, wants to be negative. Okay, great. That'll work. Okay, so I just do have to confirm that that's x. And so on up to the harder of the three types, where you're here we're going to be breaking down to 2 and 3. So what you have is if you have a few different rules for the middle, trivial rules, and if they don't work out, you know you're factorizing one or both ends, factorizing the beginning here. So we go 3x and 2x there. Okay, and that's going to be 1 and minus 1. Putting 1 here gives us negative 3x. That guy is the dominant one. He wants to be negative, so it'll be minus 1 at the bottom, plus 1 at the top. Okay, that's your factorizing. Enjoy. You should be getting 10 of each type before you can confirm that you've so you should have a 10, 10, and 10 here before you've mastered factorizing trinomials. Thank you.